Hi everyone! Today I'm going to clearly show you the recently released Nano Banana 2 model. I honestly couldn't believe how it transforms images. In this video, I'll show you the real results and how you can try Nano Banana 2 for free directly from the Gemini website. We'll test it using two examples, restoring an old rusty car and converting a simple anatomy diagram into a realistic 3D labeled medical model. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll compare Nano Banana 2 with Banana Pro side by side, and the results might surprise you, especially if you work in design, 3D, or medical visualization. To use Nano Banana 2, go to gemini.google.com, then click on Tools and select Create Image. From the Model selection area, choose the Pro option to make sure you are using the latest Nano Banana 2 model, otherwise you may get a different version. For the first test, simply copy the old car image and paste it directly into Gemini. Then copy the detailed restoration prompt generated with ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt area and click Submit. You'll see it loading with the Banana 2 model. It may take slightly longer than Banana Pro. Once it finishes, the transformation is amazing. Download the image and save it to your local folder. After that, click the three dots and choose Regenerate with Banana Pro to generate the same image using the previous model. When it finishes loading, download and save that version as well so we can compare both results later. Now let's move to the portal circulation anatomy model. Copy and paste the anatomy image into Gemini, then paste the detailed 3D enhancement and labeling prompt and submit it using Nano Banana 2. As you can see, it generates a realistic 3D anatomical model with proper textures. The result looks highly detailed and professional. Download and save this image to your local computer. Then regenerate the same anatomy image using Banana Pro, wait for it to finish loading, and download that version as well. Now let's compare both results side by side. For the car transformation, Nano Banana 2 is on the left and Banana Pro is on the right. Both look great, but Nano 2 appears slightly cleaner and brighter, though the difference is subtle. Let me know what you think in the comments. For the anatomy model, Nano Banana 2 stands out more clearly in realism, texture detail, and arrow labeling accuracy. Banana Pro performs well, but some arrows are missing or less refined. Overall, both models are powerful, but Nano Banana 2 feels more advanced in realism and detailing. If you enjoyed this comparison, like the video, subscribe, and tell me which model impressed you more.